Hey guys, and welcome back to my parents' kitchen. Today we're making a recipe loved by everyone from boomers to zoomers. Today we are making waffles, and with that being said, let's go. First off, we need some food, but also a scale and a waffle iron. We'll talk about that later, but let's move on to our ingredients. Our ingredients are all here, separated into dry and wet. Today we'll slow down the pace of our video and actually go through them nice and slowly. So starting off with our wet ingredients, over here, milk 300 grams, just a bit of vanilla, 3 shots of peanut oil, that's about 60 milliliters, and 2 eggs. For our dry ingredients, we have sugar 55 grams, baking powder 15 grams, and a pinch of salt around 5 grams, and white flour 300 grams. First step, our dry ingredients. The wet can go away. Move the small bowl, grab a big bowl. In our big bowl, we will add all of our dry ingredients first. First off, flour, 300 grams. Slap it all in, bowl away. To our flour, sugar. To our sugar, baking powder. We need a pinch of salt, 10 grams. Whisk and whisk it all up. Whisk all of it together. Do a tourne. Our dry ingredients are done. Time for wet ingredients. 300 grams of milk or 300 milliliters. To our milk, first egg, second egg, 1 shot of vanilla, and to our shot of vanilla, 3 shots of peanut oil. 1, 2, 3. And now blender, lock and load. Ready to mix. Go slowly. And there we go. Our wet ingredients can go join our dry. Wet, dry. The hardest part of our recipe is now. Grab the same whisk as before, limit washing up our wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. That was the hardest part of our recipe. And now it's time to just start whisking. Whisk until well incorporated. Grab all the sides, bring it all back in, and keep whisking until well combined. Grab it all off our whisk. Whisk, sink. It worked hard. We have to let it rest about 15 minutes. Our mixture's resting. We have no time to rest. Grab our waffle iron and plop it on. Plug it in and turn it on. About 4 out of 5 for the hotness. About 80%. We don't want to burn our waffles. We got the green light, we're ready to go. Grab your mixture, grab a scoop, open the machine up, and about half a ladle inside. And crush. Lock and wait. And once the green light comes back, we're ready to remove them from our machine. So we have a problem. There's no green light, but my experience tells me that we're ready. Open it up, watch out, it's really hot. Put our waffles on the side, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. While waiting for our machine to heat up, let's look at what we have. We have 4 beautiful waffles. Very soft inside, nice crispiness, and now let's move on to our second batch of waffles. First batch away, we can open that up, and our second batch can go inside. We should make between 6 and 7 waffles with our mixture. We'll clean this part up, and now smash. And wait about 3 to 4 minutes. There's still no green light, but my experience tells me they're done. Open it up and place them on the plate. Machine down, unplug, wait for it to cool down, and we will serve our waffles very soon. My machine went back home, and let's look at our beautiful 7 waffles. Just like my dad's video, our recipe came out with 7 waffles. The cherry on top, powdered sugar, tap. Do as many spin arounds as you want. Just a bit or fully coated, it's up to you. And away. There we go, waffles done in about 15 minutes. Follow this recipe and you'll be loving it. There we go, breakfast is done. Well, my breakfast is done, sorry. Thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in our next one. See ya, bye.